Hey, welcome to Nova Toolbox. If you're trying to find AI tools that genuinely save time, improve quality, or help you build faster, this channel's for you. I don't just list features, I test tools like a real user and show you the results on screen. If you have tried vibe coding tools recently, you probably hit the same wall every time. The UI looks great in the first 5 minutes, but the moment you ask for anything real like user accounts, saving data, handling payments, or even fixing a small bug without rewriting a novel prompt, everything slows down. It becomes shallow. That is why I wanted to test YouWare, because it is built for the next evolution of vibe coding, where you can build a full stack web app through conversation and actually ship something functional. YouWare's workflow starts with one simple idea. You describe what you want, and the AI turns it into a working app, not just a landing page. So let's do a real build example that matches what most people actually need. I'm going to build a member-only content portal for creators. The goal is simple: a public homepage, a login and sign-up flow, a members dashboard, and a content library that only logged-in users can access. If a tool can do that smoothly, it is already in a different league. So right here on the Create page, all I need to do is describe the tool I want. I'll type a simple prompt asking for a modern AI-powered CRM for small businesses with lead tracking, contact management, automated follow-ups, and a clean dashboard to manage customers and deals. And once I submit that prompt, the platform immediately starts generating the application structure. Now you can see the AI building the interface in real time. It's creating the dashboard, organizing the sections, and setting up the basic features that a CRM needs. Normally, building something like this would require front-end design, back-end logic, databases, and authentication. But here, the AI is putting everything together automatically. Once the project loads, we get a full CRM interface. There's a central dashboard where you can track leads and see your sales activity. We can add contacts, manage deals, and organize customers through different stages of the sales pipeline. Everything is designed to keep your customer relationships organized in one place. The homepage showcases the impressive creativity of the AI tool, generating a modern and visually appealing design with a professional layout and smooth color gradients. It intelligently structures key elements like the headline, navigation menu, and call to action buttons to create a clear and engaging user experience. Now that the basic homepage is generated, I'm going to improve it by adding animations, motion effects, and a more dynamic interface. Instead of a static page, I want the site to feel alive and interactive for visitors. Using a new prompt, I ask the AI to add smooth scrolling animations, animated backgrounds, and subtle floating objects that move across the screen. These small visual effects can make a huge difference in how modern and professional the product feels. I also include hover effects on buttons and animated counters to highlight key statistics. As the AI updates the design, you can see the page becoming more engaging and visually impressive. With just one prompt, the homepage transforms from a simple layout into a polished SaaS landing page with motion and energy. The mobile preview makes it easy to see how the website will look on smaller screens, ensuring the design stays clean, responsive, and visually appealing on smartphones. From there, the visual editor allows me to directly interact with the page elements and customize the design in real time. For example, I selected the homepage title and quickly changed it to a more elegant font to give the page a more refined and professional look. The editor also lets me modify colors, replace images, and adjust illustrations directly inside the preview. Instead of digging through code, everything can be edited simply by selecting an element and updating it instantly. This makes the whole design process faster, more intuitive, and much more creative. Then I go straight to the most important part, the backend. This is where YouWare separates itself from a lot of tools. It has YouBase built in, which means you can set up data storage, user authentication, and even store sensitive info like API keys without leaving the platform. Unlike tools that only generate the front end, YouWare helps you build the brain of the app. Instead of gluing together external services just to make your app usable, you can add a database table for posts, a users table, and enable login in a few clicks. Once Auth is on, I test the flow like a real user. Sign up works, login works, and the dashboard loads only after authentication. Now I'm going to try the CoView feature, which lets me communicate directly with the AI agent to fix problems in my website. I'll enable my microphone and screen sharing so the agent can see exactly what's happening on the page. As you can see here on the home page, the Start Free Trial button looks correct visually, but when I click it, it doesn't actually lead to a sign-up page. So I'm going to explain this problem to the agent and ask it to fix the connection. I tell the agent that the button should open a sign-up flow for new users. I also ask it to add authentication options like Google and Facebook logins so users can register quickly. After submitting the request, the agent analyzes the page and starts working on connecting the button to the proper sign-up system. This makes it much easier to debug issues because I can simply describe the problem and let the AI handle the technical fix. The third standout feature is Credit Care, which protects your credits when using the platform. Instead of losing credits when an AI generation fails or doesn't match your intent, the system refunds them, so you only pay for results that actually work. This makes building much safer and more flexible because you can experiment freely without worrying about wasting credits. Now I run a full check to fix any remaining bugs, broken buttons, or navigation issues across the website. After that, I click Boost, which automatically improves the design quality by refining the layout, spacing, and visual consistency. The homepage now looks polished and ready for users with smooth interactions and a clean SaaS-style interface. Inside the platform, the dashboard is fully functional, featuring insights, analytics, and contact management, making the smart CRM ready to launch. If you want to try it, use my exclusive link in the description and the top comment to get the discount. Try YouWare and get 33% off. If you are serious about shipping a real app, skip the toy tools and use the professional upgrade. Thanks for watching and see you soon.